back again here at UNC Sports Palace. Sa ating first half, lamang pa rin dito ang San Pablo College against the Guang Ming College. Ngayon, David, pag-usapan naman natin kung ano ang nangyari dito sa ating first half.
So ayan na nga partner, no? Ang lamang ngayon is yung San Pablo Colleges. That is because of their efficient shooting, lalong-lalo na sa 2-point field goal. Shooting 18 for 31. 58% on the field. Medyo mababa ang kanilang 3-point percentage with 2 of 8 sa kanilang mga attempts. 25% free throws. Efficient 4 of 6. And dito naman sa side ng Guang Ming, ang advantage nila nga kanina, kagaya ng sabi ko, is yung height differential nila, garnering 21 rebounds, 10 of which are offensive rebounds. And another downside on San Pablo College is their 24 turnovers dito. Kailangan nilang maging masyadong maingat sa kanilang paglaro dito sa ating second half kung gusto nilang ma-maintain ang kanilang kalamangan dito. Maraming unforced errors ang 24 turnovers na yan. Pero ayan, going back dito, partner, sa ating ball game. Umahabol pa rin ang ating Guang Ming Colleges. Pero bago yan, partner, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Gaz to give us an update kung ano ang nangyari sa halftime. Gaz, please take it away.
Thank you, Joshua and Teen. According to Coach Mariah, they must play with pride. However, based on their performance in the first half, they are not playing well and not contributing so much to the group. He mentions that they miss so many shots inside and their main problem is defense. Therefore, they are reminded of their roles as a player and they have to communicate with one another. He emphasizes the importance of talking with one another when they are on the hard court. That's the latest news from the court side. Back to you, Joshua and team.
Salamat, Kaz, for that update on the side of Guang Ming College. And the communication is key talaga dito, sabi ni Coach Moraya, telling his players na kailangan nilang mag-usap inside of the hard court. Medyo nagiging hindi balanced ang kanilang play style dito, missing a lot of those attempts. Pero yan. And one there by Ihibem, going to the line for that extra free throw to make it a 3-point play. Makikita natin sa ating instant replay dito yung missed attempt ni number 14 but an offensive rebound by Ihibem, putting him on the line, pero ang kanyang third attempt was no good. San Pablo now on the offense.
Now, San Pablo with the ball. Give it to Maligaya. They will try to shoot. Papasok sa loob. Ihibem with the rebound. Now dito, tatawid ang bola on the corner. Pujeda. They will try to get a score here. Papasok sa loob. No good. Rebound. Maligaya. No. Ang bola mananatili sa Guang Ming. Ayan, para pakinggan natin. Ang balita naman dito sa San Pablo Colleges, pakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kayla. Kayla, anong balita dyan?
Percentine, we are now in the third quarter of this matchup. Tuloy-tuloy na nga ang kalamangan ng Ravens for this game. I saw how eager the Ravens are to really get this game. After the good defense that they showed to us, Coach Francis continuously reminding them to not be complacent at i-disregard muna ang score dahil hindi pa tapos ang laban. Ipagpatuloy lang ang maayos na opensa, lalong-lalo na ang depensa. Dagdag pa ni Coach Francis, they should continue to work hard and
back again here at UNC Sports Palace. We have a power interruption. Kanina nga natigil tayo sa report ni Kyla from San Pablo Colleges. Sabi nga dito ng coach ng San Pablo, they need or hindi dapat sila maging complacent when it comes to playing dahil konti lamang ang kalamangan nila dito against the Guang Ming. Now, 7 minutes remaining. Makaraya will inbound. Now, we'll give it to 11. Makaraya again with the ball. Taking his time to go inside. Papasok sa loob. 5 seconds and it was good for the San Pablo. Now, there was a steal here. 20 has now the ball. Papasok sa loob. A layup by 19. Kaponpon. Guang Ming dito ang gagawa ng paraan. A steal again of San Pablo. Now, they got a point again, but there was a foul. 2 shots. Para dito kay Ras ng San Pablo. 44-54. A 10-point lead of San Pablo Colleges against the Guang Ming with 6 minutes remaining on our third quarter. Now, Ras will take the first shot. No good. You need to take the second shot para mas makalamang pa against the Guang Ming. Going to try. This time it was good. Luzado. Inbound. And the ball will go on the Guang Ming. 14 seconds for the Guang Ming. Luzada to inbound. Pujeda. Papasok sa loob. No good. It was set on the corner. Now, on the inside. Ooh. There's no foul there. Guang Ming with the ball. Muntika na yan makuha ng San Pablo. Lozada on a layup and it was good for the Guang Ming. 46-55. Now, Makaraya. Give it to Palconela. Nasa baba dyan, nagagawa ng bola. San Pablo nakakuha nito. Mid-range, no good. Ihebem with the rebound. Given to Luzada. Papasok sa loob si Hamayas, but there was a steal again. Hamayas to get a point, and it was go with that spin. Naibaba na nga dito sa pitong kalamangan ng San Pablo. Now, Falconete. Give it to his teammates, Makaraya. 12 seconds to shoot on the corner. Papasok sa loob. A layup, no good. Ihebem with the rebound. Lozada ang tatakbo sa kabila. Pero babalik sa Guang Ming ang bola. It was for San Pablo. Falconete to inbound. Substitution here for the Guang Ming. Laktao-tao to enter again the side of Guang Ming. Falconete to inbound. Give it to Makaraya. Now, Maligaya to try. 10 seconds to shoot here. Kapunpon. Now, 5 seconds. No good. It slipped, but still, Guang Ming has the ball here. Napunta kay Laktao-tao. But there was a foul. 2 shots for Pujeda. Now we have 4 minutes, 38 seconds remaining on our time. 48-55. Now Pujeda is on the line to take 2 shots for our third quarter. Konti na lang para sa Guang Ming para maabot ang puntos ng San Pablo. Now Pujeda take the first shot and it was good. We have a substitution here, Garcia for the San Pablo and Pccl to enter. And Pujeda to take his second shot, free throw line. It's still good here. Now, Makaraya to inbound. Bibigay kay Maligaya. Makaraya ang tatawid ng bola. The ball will stay on the San Pablo. Makaraya, 18 seconds. 50-55. Only 5-point lead for the San Pablo. Falconete. It was blocked by Lactaw-Tao. Now on the corner to try for a 3. No good. Ball will go to the San Pablo here. 4 minutes remaining. Makaraya to inbound. 20. Ang tatawid ng bola. Papasok sa loob. Papasa yan. And it was good for Kapunpon. Again, a 7-point gap here. Pccl. May hawak ngayon ng bola. 14 seconds. They need to do something here. 5 seconds. Binigay kay Lactaw-Tao. And it was good. Makaraya for San Pablo. On the other corner. Papasok muli sa... But it was blocked by Ihibem. But there was a traveling violation for San Pablo. 5-point gap for our third quarter. 3 minutes, 31 seconds remaining on our time. Lozada to inbound. Again, Lozada. Pccl with the ball. Now given to the other side, Ihibem. He will try. Papasok sa loob, a layup! And it was good for Cabilia. Now, to try for a layup na kungusan muli ng San Pablo dito ang Guang Ming. Mabilisang puntos. Nagagawa dito, Pccl ang tatawid ng bola. Give it to Lozada. He will try to go inside, but there was a traveling violation for Lozada here. And a substitution for the side of Guang Ming, Dumalagan and Hano to enter for the side of the Guang Ming. Now, Falconete to inbound. Heavily guarded. Bola na kay Makaraya, diretsyo, pero hindi. Mapupunta ang bola sa Guang Ming. Hano. Bibigay dito kay 21. Dumalagan. Pass to Lactaw-Tao. They are taking their time to get a score here. 10 seconds for Hano. It's too short. There was a foul for number 19. So now, Lactaw-Tao will be on the free throw line to take a shot. (54-59). 5-point gap of San Pablo here. 2 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Lactauta for his first shot. It was good. There was a substitution for the side of San Pablo. Calibo has now entered their side. Lactauta for his second attempt. No good for that. Rebound by San Pablo. Now on the inside. No good. Rebound for the Guang Ming. Didiretso dito. Si Dumalagan. A 3-point. No good here. Offensive rebound. No. Now 2 minutes remaining on our third quarter. They will take their time. Makaraya to give. Calibo now on the inside. But the ball will go again to the Guang Ming. The 1 minute 47 seconds. Naibaba na sa 4 na kalamangan dito ng San Pablo. Now Dumalagan trying his best to get inside. Now 14 seconds. Ihebem. But there was a steal here. A layup by Tan. Now, they are taking the time. Lactauta to give the ball to Ihebem. He will try to get it inside. And it was good. 57-61. Now, 7 with the ball. Given to Makaraya. Papasok sa loob. On the shot. They will try. Tan. There was a steal. Pupunta ang bola. Dire-diretso. But a foul here. For San Pablo. Makaraya. Yeah, Makaraya gave that foul for Guang Ming College. Ngayon, Pccl is on the line to take 2 shots. 57-61. Only 4-point gap here with 48 seconds. First shot. It was good. Now substitution here. Akiniede will go. Now Pccl to take his second shot. Mas palilitin pa dito ang agwat ng San Pablo but no good. The rebound. But San Pablo, now Makaraya ang tatawid ng bola dito. Heavily guarded. There was a steal of Hano. Dire-diretso dito. And it was good. May kasama pang foul. A 3-point opportunity for Hano here for our third quarter. 61-60. Naibaba na nga sa isa ang kalamangan dito ng San Pablo. Konti na lang. If mapasok to ni Hano, we will be tied on 61 all for our third quarter. Only 33 seconds. Now Hano to take the shot. This will be a big opportunity for them to tie against the San Pablo. No good, but an offensive rebound by Ihebem. Mananatili ang bola sa Guang Ming. It was Akiniede. Now, on the line, Lactauta. Just 1-point lead for San Pablo here. And it was good. We are tied now on 61. This would be the first deadlock for this matchup. Lactauta to try to have a 1-point lead against the San Pablo. No good. Pero mananatili ang bola sa Guang Ming. 27 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Ngayon, titingnan natin kung makakalamang na ba dito ang Guang Ming. Bibigay ang bola. It was blocked. Nagkakagawan dito. Babalik ang bola. Laktaw-taw with that layup. It was good. Now, gagawa ng paraan dito ang San Pablo. Nakuha muli ng Guang Ming to try to shoot. And it was good. 10 seconds remaining. And there was a timeout called by San Pablo. 65-61. Only 10 seconds remaining. 4 na puntos na lamang dito ang nakuha ng Guang Ming with that last sequence. And let's see if makukuha nila or makakahabol pa itong San Pablo at change of momentum sa ating pagtatapos ng third quarter. Pero bago ang lahat, pasalamatan lang din natin ang mga nanonood ngayon dito sa UNC Sports Palace and of course sa ating GNN Sports TV at GNN Facebook page. We are live now. Yeah, back to the ball game tayo dito. Tan to inbound. This is their chance to get a score here. Tan. Bibigay dito. Tatawid ng bola si Kalibo. 5 seconds to shoot. Maligaya. No good. And that was it. Natapos na nga ang ating third quarter. 61-65. Magbabalik po kami dito for our last quarter. Only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are back again here at UNC Sports Palace for our last quarter. 61-65. Now, San Pablo has the ball. Kalibo! But there was backcourt violation. Now, Guang Ming has the ball here for our last quarter. It was a close fight between these two teams and they need to do something for the side of San Pablo. Now, dumalagan to inbound. Papasok sa loob pero mapupunta ang bola sa San Pablo with that last sequence. Kalibo to inbound. Bibigay kay Maligaya. Si Kalibo dito ang tatawid ng bola. Now, Mahigpit na ang bantayan dito. Mid-range, no good. Laktaw-taw with the rebound. Now, given to Pecolena. But there was a foul. At para makahingi tayo ng update mula sa side ng San Pablo Colleges, pakinggan natin si Kayla Casulia. Kayla, anong balita dyan?
The Ravens and the Guang Ming College. Ramdam na nga ang tensyon dito sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace dahil dikit na nga ang laban. Patuloy nga ang paghabol at pagbawi ng Guang Ming College for this matchup. But on the side of Ravens, Coach Francis continuously reminding them that since we are on the fourth quarter, they need to lessen their errors. Kailangan nga mag-stick sa system and game plan. Kailangan din ng maayos na communication sa loob ng court para maiwasan ng miscommunication. Dagdag pa ni Coach Francis, pag nakakalamang, wag na maging complacent hanggang hindi pa tapos ang laban. Yan muna ang update sa side ng Ravens. Balik sa inyo, Bernsen Team.
Thank you so much, Kayla. Ayan nga, last quarter na lamang dito. Kailangan gumawa ng paraan ng San Pablo para makahabol sa puntos. No good for Calibo here. Now, dumalagan. Given the ball to Pecolera. Siyang tatawid dito ng bola. Now, naghahanap dito ng papasahan. Laktaw-taw. Have that ball now. Given to Hano for 3-point opportunity. No good. Maligaya. Attacking Tan. Maligaya. It was too short for 3. 67-61. Naitaas na muli sa 6. Ang kalamangan dito ng Guang Ming. 7 minutes 55 seconds remaining sa ating oras. Now, Pecolera. Siyang tatawid ng bola for the Guang Ming. Now, to Laktaw-taw. Dumalagan for 3. And that was good! Punched us through. 70-61. 9-point lead here. Now, Pacolente. Papasok sa loob. Ito, it was blocked by Laktaw-taw. Pero, mananatili ang bola. 14 seconds to shoot here. At para makahinig tayo ng update mula sa Guang Ming College, pakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter si Cassandra. Cass, anong balita dyan?
For the fourth and final quarter, Guang Ming College is now leading the game. They were able to get scores gradually as the team continued to work hard on their defense and by playing smarter. The same 5 players entered the hard court for the last quarter and they are reminded of the gameplay they are trying to achieve. He insisted on the essence of finding their man, guarding them, and protecting the ball by avoiding turnovers. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to you, Joshua and team.
Nga, ang kalamangan dito ay nasa Guang Ming and they just need to be consistent with their plays now. At ngayon nga, Dumlagaan is on the free throw line, taking his second shot. This time, it was good. Getting for a 10-point lead here against San Pablo. Now, Makarayang tatawid ng bola. But there was a fifth foul against Dumlagaan. Now, Makaraya to inbound. 20, papasok sa loob. But there was a foul again. It's 26, pushing foul given to Hanyo. Now, Makaraya to inbound. There was a steal here. Didiretso dito sa loob. Again, a foul. At dito nga, Pccl will be on the line to take his shot. 74-61, tumaas na sa 13-point gap. Kalamangan dito ng Guang Ming with 6 minutes 53 seconds remaining sa ating orasan. Now, Pccl to try to widen the gap. No good. Offensive rebound. Pero nakuha muli ng San Pablo yan. Tatakbo dito si Kalibo. Tutan. Papasok sa loob. But the ball will go to Guang Ming. And there was a substitution here. Ihebem babalik sa loob para tumulong sa depensa ng Guang Ming. Now, medyo nadulas doon si Dumlagaan. Babalik muli ang bola sa San Pablo with just 6 minutes remaining sa ating last quarter. And now, it's Kalibo to inbound. Ibibigay dito kay Tan. Tatawid dito. Kalibo again. Falconete to try to go inside with Ihebem. Andyan si Tan, given to Kalibo with 3, and it was good! Punch it is through. 64-74. 10 na lamang dito. And there was a steal by Garcia. They will try to shoot Falconete on the inside. That layup was good for San Pablo. Now, Dumlagaan ang tatawid ng bola for Guang Ming. Hamayas on the inside. There was a steal again for San Pablo. Still for Dumlagaan. Tatakbo sa kabila. A 3-point opportunity. No good. Offensive rebound. No good again. Pero pupunta siya sa free throw line for 2 shots. 74-66. 5 minutes remaining sa ating last quarter. Now, Hano to take 2 shots. First shot was no good. There's still an opportunity for San Pablo para humabol sa ating last quarter with only 12-point lead. For second time, and it was good.
San Pablo now on the offense dito. Tan with the ball. Heavily guarded by Guang Ming. Tan. Humingi ng screen. Penetrates. Extra pass to the outside. A 3-pointer attempt. No good. Ihebem with that rebound. Guang Ming naman ang nasa opensa. Pccl finds Ihebem for that pass. Ihebem naghahanap ng mapapasahan dito. Gets to Hanyo. Hanyo a 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Ihebem gets that loose ball. Hanyo tries closer. Mid-range. This time it's good. 2-pointer para kay Hanyo. San Pablo struggling here. Sila ngayon ang humahabol. Final quarter. Falconete spins. Layup. No good. Rebound by Ihebem. Pccl with the ball. Inside pass to Ihebem. Layup no good. Put back by Hamias is good. Beautiful putback there by Hamias. Tan stops and pops on the mid-range. No good. Ojeda with the ball. 4 minutes, 12 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Hanyo, mid-range, no good. Offensive rebound. Loose ball. Out of bounds dito. Ball possession ng San Pablo. Maligaya will go in for Tan. Papasok din dito si Macaraya. And lalabas naman si Kaponpon. Full court defense dito para sa Guang Ming as they try to keep their lead alive dito sa ball game na ito. Falconete goes inside, layup, no good, pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. 2 shots ngayon para kay Falconete. First shot by Falconete is good. Falconete, second shot. That's good as well. Perfect from the line there, Falconete. Guang Ming ngayon nasa opensa. Hamiyas, extra pass. That's a dunk by Ihibem. Slam that ball inside that hoop. Showing dominance dito ngayon ng Guang Ming. Stepping out of bounds. Turnover dito ang San Pablo. Nakikita natin sa ating instant replay. Beautiful pass there by Hamiyas with that monster dunk by Ihibem. Ihibem, extra pass to the outside. Lozada inside to Ihibem. Loose ball. That's a steal by San Pablo. Silang nasa opensa ngayon. Macaraya, layup, that's good. 3 minutes, 12 seconds remaining. Pccl, sidestep, that's a block. Put back by Hamiyas, that's good. Three-pointer by Maligaya, that's good. Nothing but the net. Para kay Maligaya doon. Pccl passes to his teammate. To Ihibem. Ihibem inside pass to Hamiyas. Fakes. Layup. That's good. Napakagandang fake naman nun from Hamiyas. Timeout called here by San Pablo Colleges. 2 minutes 36 seconds remaining sa ating 14th final quarter. Pccl South LUZON qualifiers will be right back. We are back live dito sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace para sa ating 2023 PCCL South Luzon qualifiers. Nasa ngayong oras, ang naglalaban ay ang Guang Ming College and San Pablo Colleges. Guang Ming ngayon ang nasa kalamangan. Change of events here on the late third quarter kanina when Guang Ming took the lead dito sa ating ball game na ito. Ngayon, San Pablo ang humahabol. Silang nasa offensa. Reverse layup. Thereby, Kaponpon is good. Hamiyas with the ball para sa Guang Ming. Double team. Unsuccessful para sa San Pablo. Pujeda to Ihibem. Fake. Fade away using the board. That's good para kay Ihibem. Last 2 minutes dito sa ating ball game. San Pablo That's a steal by Guang Ming. Lozada, layup. That's a block. Ihibem with the offensive rebound. Passes to his teammate on the outside. Extra pass to Ihibem. Floater, no good. Put back by Hamias. That's good. San Pablo, three-pointer, no good. Lozada with the rebound. Fast break to Hamias. Pccl lost that ball. That's going to be a turnover. San Pablo on the offense. A minute and 10 seconds remaining dito. Macaraya with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Macaraya stops. Fade away, no good. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. Foul. Era. (89-74) ang ating score. Lamang pa rin dito ang Guang Ming College. Less than a minute remaining dito sa ating ball game. That attempt is good from San Pablo. Guang Ming ngayon nasa opensa. Hamias, that's a steal by San Pablo. Corner. Balik sa gitna to the corner. Maligaya 3, no good. Fast break, Guang Ming. Pccl layup, kinulang. Hamias with that putback is good. 91-74, 35 seconds remaining. Easy layup dito para kay Kaponpon. Foul called here by the referee. That's gonna be a foul called on Maligaya. Penalty dito. Ang Guang Ming College, Pojeda, will go to the line and shoot 2 free throws dito. After this matchup, mga kaibigan, mayroon pa tayong second game. Matchup between the University of Batangas and the Naga College Foundation. Kaya tutok lang kayo dito. As Pojeda makes his first shot on the free throw line. Second attempt here. That's good. Perfect from the line. Pojeda. Falconete passes to his teammate. Spins, almost losing the ball. Mid-range. That's good, using the board para kay number 11. Shot clock is off here. Whistle blown by the referee. That's gonna be a foul called on Falconete. 2 shots ulit para kay Pojeda. First shot, that's good. Second shot is also good. Perfect from the line, Pojeda. San Pablo with the ball. Long three-pointer here. No good. 5 seconds left. 3 seconds left on this ball game, and I think ito na. Alam na natin kung sino ang panalo dito. Guang Ming College will proceed to the next round. Congratulations! Final score 95-81 winner, Guang Ming College. Congratulations both teams and syempre sa San Pablo College. Next game natin mga kaibigan, NCF Tigers versus the University of Batangas. Don't go anywhere, magbabalik po ang PCCL South Zone Qualifiers to present the best player of the game.
The best player of the game is brought to you by NCF College of Criminal Justice Education, the #1 criminology school in the entire South Luzon. What an incredible and unpredictable game shown to us by Guang Ming College and San Pablo College. And now we have the best player of the game, Joshua Jamias, jersey 14 from Guang Ming College with 18 points, 10 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block. Wow, congratulations for being the best player of the game and congratulations for your team's first win. Now, how does it feel to be the best player of the game? At ano sa tingin mo ang naging strategy ng team nyo considering na lamang ang kalaban ng ilang quarter at nagawa nyo pang makahabol at manalo?
Para sa akin po, stick lang po kami sa play namin na di po namin iniintindi yung score. Basta sa sistema lang po namin, nakapokus lang po kami na kahit unti-unti, mahahabol po namin yun.
Thank you very much. Now, how was your first experience playing in this league, which is known as South Luzon Championship?
Opportunity po para sa akin and mabigay pressure at paglaro dito sa Bicol kahit na tiga-Cavite pa po kami.
Ayan, do you have any inspiring message for all aspiring basketball players out there?
Ano po, message po para kanino? Para po sa mga basketball player na maglalaro po dito, sports lang po tayo tsaka have fun.
Ayan, we are currently live. Baka may gusto kang batiin o pasalamatan, go ahead. This is your chance.
Guang Ming College community tsaka mga team and sa girlfriend ko rin, tsaka yung Insiders family.
Thank you very much and once again, congratulations. That's the end of our first game this afternoon. This is Cassandra Saton, your courtside reporter in this year's Philippine Collegiate Champions League South Luzon Championship match.
Maraming salamat, Kaz, and congratulations sa Guang Ming College with their best player, Joshua Amias, with a double-double performance dito, 18 points, 10 rebounds along with 10 assists, 1 steal and 1 block. Napakagandang performance partner na pinakita ng ating Guang Ming College coming out of that 10-point deficit kanina. Nakapaghabol talaga sila. Until the end, sila pa yung nanalo.
Ayan, David, napakaganda nga nung nakita nating laro ngayon. Pero this time, our second game is the University of Batangas and the NCF Tigers. Kaya huwag kayong aalas. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.